To perform a backup on Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter accounts and backup right here in the settings, and then you will have few different options for a backup. So first two is Samsung Cloud and Google Drive. If you want to use any of them, first you will need to go to manage accounts and make sure that you have a Google account and Samsung account that you plan on using for a backup. When you have that account, or if you don't have it, click on the plus button and then add it. If it's added, you can go back to the accounts and backup, and here choose one of the options. You can backup either through the Samsung Cloud with backup data, and then you'll be able to select specific things that you can backup and then proceed with the backup and wait until it's uploaded. After that, you'll be able to log into your Samsung Cloud account on your other Samsung device and restore it. If you want more universal way, you can always go for Google Drive. So if you select this option, you'll be able to back up anything that you like from the list right here onto the account of Google. Then if you log into the same Google account, there will be restore button somewhere around here in backup settings on your other device. Next thing is Smart Switch. You'll be able to transfer data for device setup. So if you have a brand new phone and already next to you, you can go through the setup, and then at some point in the setup you will have a question if you want to transfer your other device to this device that you're setting up. If you do, then you can go for transfer data for the device setup and follow instructions that will show up on this screen on your phone right here and on the phone that you're setting up. Alternatively, you can also use external storage transfer, which allows you to transfer all of the files onto SD card or any other storage. All you have to do is get the SD card holder, because this phone doesn't have SD card slot. You will need to use something like this. You just need to plug in the SD card into this area and then use USB-C to connect it with your phone. Then you will have external storage, and you can transfer all of the backup onto this storage and then repeat the backup using those files. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.